Hello, eighth grade. So we have gotten to the point of halfway through our unit. So we are going to do a little review and then you'll take a short quiz on Edmodo. So it's lessons 1 through 6 that we're reviewing. And it's pretty much actually what we just reviewed yesterday, just with learning the proofs of the laws of exponents. So I'm just going to have you work through the problem on your own, and then once you're ready, you can hit play and I will give you the answers. So go ahead with these two. These are from lesson 1, writing the number in exponential form and then writing out an expanded form and solving it. Okay, so our base number is going to be 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5s. So 5 to the 5th power. We have a -3, but since it's even, we know that the answer is going to be positive. So we write out -3 times -3 times -3 times -3, which equals 81. Lesson 2, we looked at combining the exponents with like bases. So -6 to the 7th and -6 to the 2nd. So we add those and we get -6 to the 9th, which equals -10,077,696. Go ahead and work through the second one on your own and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. So we have 2 to the 2nd. Okay, so we have 2 to the 2nd and 2 to the 8th. So again, we add those exponents. We get 2 to the 10th, or 1,024. Lesson 3, we look at power to power. So go ahead and work through those two, and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. So we have 7 to the 12th, or 13,841,287,201. Nice long number. You didn't really have to solve it, but just so you know that it can be solved. Then we have 1.3 to the 30th, or 2,619.99564365. Again, you didn't have to solve it. Just know that it can be solved. Lesson 4, you're going to write the number in expanded form. And then again, write it out, and then solve for the second one. Go ahead and hit pause, hit play when you're ready to see the answers. Excuse me. So here we looked at 6 times 10 to the 6th, 9 times 10 to the 5th, working our way all the way down to 0 because this one does not have anything added to it. And then we have 10 times 10 times 10 times 1, because anything to the 0 power is always 1, or that equals 1,000. So 2 problems again here with negative exponents. Go ahead, work through these, and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. So 3 times 1 over 10 to the 2nd, because that's how we get rid of that negative exponent. And then we can simplify it one step further, 3 over 10 to the 2nd, and 1, oops. This one, wow. This one can actually go one step further, and it can be 3 over 100. And then we have the opposite of the one we previously did from lesson 4. So you start with that 0, and then you're negative because it's a decimal. Last one, again, this was pretty much a review of everything, so just go ahead and work through these, and then we'll see the answers. So we have 2 to the 7th, or 128, 1 over 5 to the 3rd, or 1/125th, 1, 5 to the 2nd times 2 to the 2nd equals 25 times 4, or 100, and 3 to the 12th, or 531,441. So that's it for a review. Watch the video again if you need a little extra help, but otherwise, only assignment is work through the quiz on Edmodo. If you have questions or don't understand something entirely, let me know, and I will do my best to help in any way I can.